Python string comparison. I have a Python function that makes a subprocess call to a shell script that outputs true or false. I'm storing the output from subprocess.communicate and trying to do return output equals true, but it returns false every time. I'm not too familiar with Python, but reading about string comparisons says you can compare strings using equals, not equal, etc. Here's the code. The output is, but false is always returned. I also tried return str is deployed equals true.
Are you sure that there isn't a terminating line feed character, making your string contain true \n? That seems likely. You could try return is deployed starts with true, or some stripping.
Have you tried the call before the comparison?
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.